channel. Today I'm going to be doing this kind of weird blue and orange eye look. I don't know. It feels a little too summery considering summer's over pretty much, but I just wanted to have some fun. So keep watching if you're interested. If not, okay, so jumping straight into this. I've already done my base on my brows because it's not really something you guys need to see again. The only difference is I used this Mary Kay CC cream instead. And since my since my eyebrows are tinted black now, I just had to fill them in with a fiber gel. But other than that, I think everything's mostly the same. That's what the palette looks like, and I think it's fucking beautiful. I went online and I picked up every single 9-pan palette I could find because they're $12 American, and that's fucking great for experimenting. Like, I'm not gonna say that they're the best eyeshadows I've ever used. They're pretty good. Like, most of them are pigmented and not chalky, but there is a few that could be better, but I'm not gonna like shit talk on them or anything because it's a $12 palette and it has a huge mirror on it. So like, I'm not fucking complaining. So there's matte shimmers and then certain ones have glitter clouds and they're all fucking beautiful. I'm going to start with the shade Moonlight. There's this pale blue thing. I bought the brush because I haven't used it on my eyes yet and I don't know how intense this is going to be. So we're going to put that in the crease. You can already see they're not shit.
The start of forever. And after all this time, I'm still into you. I should be over all the butterflies, but I'm into you. And baby, even on our worst nights, I'm into you. Let them wonder how we got this far, 'cause I don't.
Also, sorry if I'm like not responding to anybody's messages right now. I was talking to my boyfriend, but he stopped answering, so that means he's either unconscious or playing games. So like, fair enough, I'm doing shit too. But if anybody else tries to message me, I do have my notifications turned off right now. Because the last thing I want is to record a fucking funny scene, which doesn't happen often, and get interrupted by a notification bell. I think I'm liking the blue.
I'm never ever gonna change, and you know you don't want it any other way. Why do we always gotta run away?
Once again, I'll say I don't have a fuck ton of brushes, so I am just gonna use the same one for the entire look. Just like, hate me if you want. I'm still gonna do it. I'm going to go in with Starry Eyed, I guess, which is this one. And just kind of brighten up some of that blue.
Beautiful, I said I'm beautiful. Is it easier to stay? Is it easier to go? I don't wanna know.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
Know that I'm never ever gonna change, and you know you don't want it any other way. Every time that you say you're gonna leave, that's when you get the very best of me.
This is the ColourPop Orange Glide palette. Oh my god, I just realized something. Look at my nails. But like, don't look too closely because they're fucking janky right now. I'm going to go in with the shade Creamsicle. Nope. I'm going to go in with the shade Sunkissed. Clearly, I have not actually looked at the palette yet. I'm applying that with my finger onto my lid.
어두웠던 내 안에 네가 내려온 거야 마치 한 줄기 달빛처럼 하루하루가 행복해 매일매일을 기대하게 돼 널 알게 된 요즘 설레는 만큼 다가가고픈 커져가는 내 사랑 깨기 싫은 꿈.
In with the shade right here, squeeze me. This one here. I'm gonna apply that to my lid.
두근두근 라 라라라 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 정해진 운명인 걸까 예정된 인연인 걸까 답은 어디에도 없지만 한 가지 확실한 건 널 보는 내 맘이 이렇게
I'm going to my favorite shade of everything I bought. Is this one here? It's a extremely glittery shade called Clementine. I have to be really careful because it is a chunky glitter. I think it's just a pressed glitter. I haven't looked into it. No one put that on the lid.
많은 사람들 속에 우리가
I can't get over that. Definitely not 12 Canadian. It was not what I paid for it, but for 12 American, bring in the blue a little bit more. No. I want to try something crazy for the highlight. There's this shade here, Lumi, which upon first glance is just a crystallized light, but it reflects blue, like an icy blue. Wow, it's so fucking cool. So now we're going into eyeliner. Using my shadows. I'm not going to do anything too crazy because I do want this to really focus on the eyeshadow itself. But a little eyeliner always helps a bit. I'm not going to do lashes because honestly I don't really wear them in everyday regular life. I think the only times I have worn them is like my high school graduation and then the grad that I escorted this year.
You sit there in your heartache, waiting on some beautiful boy to save you from your old ways. You play forgiveness, watching out, here he comes. He doesn't look a thing like Jesus, but he talks like a gentleman, like you imagined when you were young. Talks like a gentleman, like you imagined when you were young. I said he doesn't look a thing like Jesus. He doesn't look a thing like Jesus. But more than you'll ever know.
Now I do want to put on my Jeffree Star Wet Peach lip gloss, but I left it at work, so we're just gonna go with that. Who knows? Maybe it's for the better.
깜빡거릴 때면 나도 지그시 눈 감으며 만날 수 있길 기도해 저기 밝은 빛을 따라서
Okay, so this is the finished look. I put my bangs down just so we can get a better look of everything all together. I'm honestly not sure if I'm gonna keep them or not. Sometimes I'm into them, sometimes I'm not, so chances are they're only gonna last for a few weeks. But you get to get a better shot for you. I will be including a couple like zoomed in shots. Oh my god, my hand. I will be including some zoomed in shots, but I did just want to showcase how it looks on camera. I like it, honestly. I might wake up and do this for work tomorrow. It was really easy. So, yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to leave a like and a comment and tell me what you think.